farm truck feature.
All our friends on Facebook are watching with us.
Yes, that's awesome. Bringing you the taste of the action live here on Championship Sunday, Bash for Cash.
That is a very creative have to pee.
Yes, it is. Yeah. Green flag is out. System right there. Drive locked.
007.
Good action. Once again, this is Championship Sunday, so if you want to see the rest of the features that are running here this afternoon, you can get the ticket at derbynation.tv. If you get the multi-pass ticket, you can watch the entire weekend, catch up on everything that you missed. Ooh. Bringing the mud live to your living room on derbynation.tv. These farm truck builds are a little bit different. They're, you know, more of a stock build.
Oh, speaking of stock, did you see that?
Yeah. You know, still have a good cage, still have a gas tank protector, but everything else is pretty much as it came. A lot of these guys choosing to run a dry block system or a loop system because they don't expect it to run very long.
That's a great plan.
See if we can't get the driver's list up for you in a moment. There we go. That's not working right. Okay.
It's Greg Brooks in the Ghostbuster themed have to pee machine. There's the 737 Eric Davis from West Union, Ohio. One of the Bad Company entries. I think there was 3 of them out there. The red one is also decked out in the Bad Company colors. Keith Mack, Chad Corden out there. The 007 is David Daub.
The white one just disintegrating.
Oh my God.
Allen machine. Or Arnold. 36 Arnold.
Andrew Arnold, yeah.
767. Carden? Or is that the
that's
Bad Company?
That's
the Bad Company.
Keith Mack.
So Mack in the 767 Bad Company machine. He's trying to back away, but he's buried deep in that wheel well.
Bumper passed over the left front corner.
Got a red flag for a bumper. Once again, live on Facebook, giving you a taste of the action here on Championship Sunday at Bash for Cash. Chillicothe, Ohio. This is the farm truck feature, pretty stock feature event. They like to come out here and just drive hard. If you like what you're seeing, there's plenty of features still to come here tonight. What do we have, 6 more? 7 more?
Get them. You can watch on demand on the multi-pass everything that you've already missed, right?
That's right. You get the multi-pass. You can watch all of Friday, all of Saturday, and catch up with today.
If it was a homemade bumper, if that was one of those old super thin Pontiac bumpers on the front of the 007.
Yeah.
Hold on tight.
Man, that thing must have been real rusty.
Well,
it's just disintegrated. Look at the rear end sticking out. It's broke.
Hold on tight. right on the front wheel, that 737 9-wire doing its job.
Yeah.
Preventing the negative effects of a Bluetooth front bumper.
Yes. Which we almost have on that truck there. It's got a small piece of 9-wire holding what's left of the bumper on.
The front wheel pulling out on the Hef-to-P car?
I couldn't tell if it was
looks
just
weird the way that it's sitting there.
if the fender was just pushed over that far. I wasn't sure. My goodness.
I mean, guys, it's whatever. It's not good.
It's not good. Who are you going to call? Tow driver.
Keith Max pickup is full. Look at that thing.
36 of Arnold. Arnold struggling with that front bumper. Davis in the blue 737 stalled and refired. Oh, red flag for a fire, they said. Tire, I misheard. Red flag for a tire. It looked like the center came out of that, didn't it?
The whole center,
Yeah.
yeah. Don't do that. You just told everybody.
Yeah.
Did you ever hear that story from Toby Hiley when he did that?
What story is that?
Toby was under red flag and he just spun his wheel. And his dad saw it. And his dad buried him in the corner.
Love it. That's tough love right there. Oh, nice shot. Dug that bumper right in there. Created a soft spot. Mac is working on it.
So if anybody sitting at home is wondering why the blue truck hasn't hit the red truck, it's because they both have bad company on the side.
That would explain it to me.
Gotta have a bumper for everybody. You ever notice that? They didn't hit each other all derby, but when it comes down to 3, at that point, isn't it already too late?
Yep. I've had this conversation a bunch of times. I don't think that they have to hit each other. As long as they're not holding and folding somebody, then to me it's not teaming.
Because the argument's going to be on the other side. I'm just trying to win. And I'm picking on the weakest link.
Yep.
There's 3 of us left.
I'm not a big fan just on a competition level of directing traffic and saying, you know, you hit that guy, you hit that guy. They're all derby cars or trucks or whatever, you know.
Live your best life.
So,
live free or die, right?
Do what you want to do. Live free or die. Gotta love growing up in New England. Take your seatbelt off, you weakling. Live a little bit. Only state in the country with no seatbelt law. You know, there's a toll booth on the main highway in New Hampshire, and comedian Justin McKinney talks about it as if you hit the toll booth and you pay your cover. They say, "Welcome to New Hampshire. Here's your solo cup. Take your seatbelt off and live a little bit." Davis on the clock trying to refire 737.
I think Dylan Futrell in the M7, we saw him pass by in one of the SUVs, and then we never saw him again. So I think he's going to be going in the book 4th place. And 3rd place, purely on the assumption and my knowledge of stopwatches, Eric Davis is going to be in 3rd. And did we just get a winner?
Yeah. While you were figuring it out, they figured it out for you.
Yeah. I saw the camera sprinting on the side to catch up, and I didn't realize the 767 had been disabled.
Yeah.
That's a lucky piece of 9 wire.
There's your winner, the 36 Arnold.